Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of Ichroma CKMB test kit from Boditech. You can see from Boditech. That's the box. You can see this here. It is Ichroma CKMB test kit. This is a 25 test kit pack. You can see the reference part number here, CFPC33. So let me go through this for you. Ichroma CKMB is a fluorescence immunoassay for the quantitative determination of creatine kinase isoenzyme MB CKMB in human whole blood serum plasma. It is useful as an aid in management and monitoring of acute myocardial infarction, that is AMI, and acute coronary syndrome ACS. If you look at this box, contains 25 cartridges, one ID chip, one instruction for use manual, and 25 detection buffer packed in a separate box. And this is the one. This has to be maintained in a cold temperature, so we have kept above the ice gel pack. Okay, here you go. In the box you can see the lot number, the manufacturing date and expiry date. On a standard you can see the expiry range. This is a CIVD certified product. It can be stored in a room temperature. Let me show around the box. See the manufacturing and the certification body. So this is the box, and this is the separately packed reduction buffer. I can show you around. You can see this here, Ichroma CKMB reduction buffer, 25 reduction buffer tubes. You can see the lot number and also the manufacturing expiry date. I'll just show you around the box also. Okay, here you go. Let's keep this here. Let's open this and unbox first. You can see inside the box, you can see there is one IFE brochure. There is one IFE brochure. You can see this here, Ichroma CKMB IFE brochure. So this brochure actually contains the complete information for you to complete the test. You have the complete instructions, procedure, principle, sample preparation, how to set up your test procedure, how to conduct your test, how to interpret your results. So you have the complete details for completing this test procedure. So you have an IFU which gives you the complete information. So that's good enough. Okay, and inside further, if you see, there is a one ID chip. You can see the ID chip here. So the lot number you have to mention. You have to make sure the lot number is same. Is ID chip, and then 25 cartridges inside. I'll just pull two for you. I'll just keep this in also. You can see it says Ichroma CKMB. The lot number is given, CIVD certified, and also the expiry period. This is how the cartridges looks like. The pack, both the sides given here. And I'm going to open this box also. This is the reduction buffer box. You can see this here, Ichroma CKMB reduction buffer. It has to be maintained in temperature of 2 to 8. Okay, I'll open this for you. So this is how the reduction buffer for the 25 cartridges and 25 test kit pack. You get 25 reduction buffers. You can just pull one for you to show how it looks. So you can see the reduction buffer liquid is inside. So you get 25 individual reduction buffers. Put it back. Okay, this is how the total kits looks like. Let me quickly summarize here. Today we've seen the unboxing of Boditech Ichroma CKMB test kit. This is a 25 test kit pack. In the 25 test kit pack, you get one IFE brochure, 25 cartridges, one ID chip, and 25 reduction buffers separately in a box. This is how the total test kits looks like. Okay, thank you.